Boom! What's going on, everybody? We're here in Bahrain, of course, you guys already know. We're at the Grove Resort. My boy Torado and I, we're about to go ride some jet skis. So, we'll see you there. The jet skis, we're about to go right now. I'm about to show you, but hold up. This guy over there, he's scooping up all these damn jellyfish in the water. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's insane. It's the first time I've ever seen jellyfish up close. They're all over there in the water chilling. Look at that! Close-up view of the jellyfish.
And stop red button.
Okay.
Okay, this is the emergency key. So in case if you're going to hit something, you can keep holding and go reverse. Just the gas go forward.
Can I start it?
Yes. When you come back, come slowly.
Oh, let's go. To the right. Oh yeah! Dude, this is so fun. Oh my gosh. I never knew how fun this stuff was, man. Hey, my stuff was flying, man. Do you want to race again? Yeah, just straight, I guess. Where do you want to start? Coming, I'm coming. Oh, chill. All right, what's good, what's good? Call it. Glasses, man, they're all wet. Ugh. I know. If you grind hard enough in life, man, you can get whatever you want. What, the water? Is it deep or is it not deep? Oh. Let's find out. Dude, this is crazy. You can drift in this thing, dude. Woo! Oh, cinematic shot. Oh, yeah! The cameraman. Woo! Alright, well that was it, yo. Jet skiing in Bahrain. Torado, tell me how you thought it was.
It's amazing.
It's freaking amazing. It's like riding a motorcycle but on the damn water. You guys should try it if you haven't. Thanks for watching the video. Stay cool. Check out the car meet video right before this one. Later.